What's up, you guys? I'm Christine. Today we're going to be unboxing a monthly subscription geared towards perfume and cologne. Welcome back to my channel, Twilight Chick 143. Here we talk about anything ranging from beauty, fashion to life, vlog style, so please consider subscribing. Today's video is an unboxing of a monthly subscription called Luxury Scent Box. They're a $15 a month monthly subscription, and every month you can receive either a new perfume or a new cologne to try out. This is in partnership with Luxury Scent Box, so there will be 2 different perfumes that they sent. But typically with this subscription, what you do is you take a quiz, mark off which types of colognes or perfumes you would like to try out. So inside the bubble wrap packaging is the box, which says Luxury Scent Box. And it's actually a magnetic box. I like these because you can repurpose them. Explore your senses, find your luxury one fragrance at a time. Right off the bat, I have to say I really appreciate the fact that they include a little instruction card on how to properly use the spray bottle. Another postcard which says, "Thank you for becoming a member, matching you with the perfect scent one fragrance at a time, sending and sharing our passion for scents from California in your luxury scent box." These are the 2 fragrances that are in my box, and let me show you guys. This is the first perfume that is in my box. All you have to do is just twist it and then you just simply spray. That smells really good, actually. I love fruity scents. You can even open it. So in here you receive about 30 fluid ounces of product, and this one is called the Bonjour Señorita by TOUS Eau de Toilette, made in Spain. Instant paradise with notes of bergamot, iced mango smoothie, raspberry macaron, coconut milk, guava, jasmine tea, tropical woods, patchouli, and vanilla, exotic and fruity. This is supposed to last you throughout the duration of the 30 days. So that's the first one in my box. Second one, let me show you what it looks like. This one is in a red and black atomizer, and this is called Love Moments by TOUS. Reading this off of their website, so it says this fragrance has notes of pink grapefruit, pink pepper, Italian mandarin, violet, raspberries, iris, cedar essence, white musk, and sandalwood, and it's fruity and lively. And let's go ahead and spray it. Ooh. Love Moments is more of like an evening scent. Bonjour Señorita, I feel like this is more of like a daytime scent. So just a little reference, that's how I would describe these 2, but definitely scents that I know I will be using because I am a fan of fruity and just flirty scents like this. So easy just to kind of throw in your bag. I really haven't invested in purchasing a full size of a perfume in quite some time. So this is nice so I can test it out. I think for $15, it's something that I know I'm going to use every day. So I think it's definitely worth checking out. Thank you so much to Luxury Scent Box for sending me these 2 to test out for the month, and I will definitely let you guys know my thoughts on them. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you already haven't. Follow me on all my social media. Sending you guys, as always, positive vibes for a wonderful day and a wonderful evening. Thank you, babes, so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.